Hey everyone, what's up? It's Kahoob here, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over Crypto.com earn rates because they just updated them again effective March 26. So a lot of people actually were planning on restaking for a 3-month term by April 3rd, I think it was, because I think April 4th was the original date where they were going to change interest rates. And the reason I think they changed it instantly instead and didn't give any warning. I think the reason they did that is because they knew people were waiting till the day before to lock up a 3-month term to get the best interest possible for as long as possible. And so they kind of, anyone who did that, they're kind of screwed now because they're stuck with the lower rates now. So yeah, Crypto.com just lowered the rates even more. So yeah, you might think you already know this information, but no, this is updated March 26th of the newer rates. So initially, stablecoins for a 3-month term on the $4,000 or more Jade Green Royal Indigo card stake, it was going to be 10% interest from the 12%, right? It was going to go from 12% to 10%, but now it's going from that to 8%. So it's lowered by 4% interest on a 3-month term if you have the Jade Green card. Now, if you have it a flexible term with the Jade Green, you're only getting 2%, which is barely anything because before with stable coins on the Jade Green, it was 8% interest for flexible with the 10% 1 month and 12% on the 3-month. But yeah, 2% is barely anything to even make it worth your while. You would have to do a 3-month term at 8% interest. And looks like they're actually not only changing stablecoins even lower, but they're also changing Bitcoin and Ethereum. So they initially said they were going to stay the same, but they already updated them. So Bitcoin is going to get 4% interest for a 3-month term with a $4,000 or more card stake, while which also sucks because Ethereum initially was supposed to actually get higher interest for a 3-month term. When they first announced the new earn rates, they said Ethereum would get 1% higher. It was going to go from 6% to 7% for a 3-month term, but instead they lowered it. So Ethereum is actually going to get 4%. So instead of going up 1%, they went down a few percent. So I'm not sure what that's about. And then for DOT and Matic, they also have the April 4th normal date when things were supposed to all become in effect. They have the Polkadot and Matic going in effect on those dates. But they changed the stable coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Luna, eGold, and Atom as of today. So I don't know why they did that. I'm not sure why they had to do it so fast when initially all of it was supposed to change on April 4th. I don't know why they lowered it even more as well, which really sucks. People were already complaining about the earn rates, and now they're just even worse. So keep in mind, they also still have that $30,000 maximum for the full benefits. So for the stablecoin, if let's say you have the Jade Green card, which is kind of expensive a little bit, $4,000, right? So you're getting 8% interest on a 3-month term. And then you have over $30,000 in stablecoins, right? So anything above that is only going to get 4% interest for locking it up for a 3-month term. And a 1-month term, you only get 2% interest. And a flexible, I don't think flexible terms are not affected with the $30,000. But yeah, I really don't like what they did here, but I'm sure they had a reason why they had to instantly lower it that fast. I mean, maybe they had their interest rates too high for too long, and a month away was just too long to wait. But it sucks because I have a lot of Bitcoin locked up in a 3-month term right now. So once that ends, I'll be dropped from 6.5% interest to 4%, which really sucks. And if you have the Icy White, you can get 6% on your Bitcoin and Ethereum, but which is even lower than what I'm currently getting right now. And I'd have to stake, an extra $36,000 worth of CRO or Chronos. So yeah, and if you look at the Bitcoin and Ethereum flexible term on a $4,000 or more stake, it's only 1% interest, which is barely anything. 2% for a 1-month term, that's barely anything as well. Flexible and 1 month just are not worth it for Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can find way better places to earn interest, but a 3-month term, I think I'm going to be doing that just because I prefer to have everything within Crypto.com. And I mean, I do have some cryptocurrency elsewhere, like in cold storage and a couple other places, but majority wise, since Crypto.com is, already added extra security and everything, and the lockup funds and everything, I just feel safe having a majority of my funds in Crypto.com. And it's just nice to have everything in one place. And, yeah, let me know what you guys think about this update. It's kind of a quick video because there's not really much for me to talk about other than this is unexpected news. I did not think this would happen, and it's crazy. You never know what will happen. It's already affected as of today, effective, and yeah, I don't know. The stable coins are lowering quite a bit. So I don't know what you guys plan on doing, if you plan on using crypto.com still or not, with earning interest. And if you were planning on getting the Jade Green or the Icy White, let me know if you still plan to, or because of the $30,000 max and these lower rates, if you are deciding not to anymore. And yeah, right here you can earn up to 6% only on your Bitcoin. It used to be up to 8.5, which is really nice with the Icy White. And yeah, USDC, it says up to 10%. Oh yeah, that's if you have the Icy White, up to 10%. And then of course that's the 2% that's paid in CRO. So yeah, I guess they already updated the rates, as that what did come into effect today. So for USD coin, a 3-month term, this amount, let's say you do $30,000 in the max, you'll earn $2,400 per year. So it's 46 weekly. And if you do Bitcoin for 30,000 on a 3-month term with the Jade Green, it's only 1,200 a year. And 1,800, I mean, it's still good. It's not bad, to be honest, for $30,000 worth. But yeah, it used to get around this percent on the Jade Green though, and now it's on the Icy White. So it does kind of suck that they're lowering the interest rates per the card tiers, because I wonder if that's technically making the card tiers not as beneficial. Because I mean, the Icy White used to get up to 8% on 8.5% on Bitcoin, and now it's down to 6%. So you're losing 2.5%. So you know, I guess that technically does make the Icy White less valuable, but also same with the Jade Green, and I think just all the cards in general. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more future content. And let me know what you think about these update rates. Do you think it was reasonable? Do you think they must have had a reason? Or do you think they did this on purpose to instantly change the rates on us instantly like that, so we can't even plan to lock up our funds for 3 months on April 3rd? Or what exactly do you think about this? All right, leave it down below, and I'll probably reply to you guys to have a conversation down below about this, because it's quite interesting what happened. All right. And I mean, maybe they had to do it, so I'm not fudding or anything like that. Like, maybe they had a reason, so I try to give them the benefit of the doubt. All right, I'll see you all at my next video.